In this video, I will show you how to collaborate in Instagram post after posting. So if you want to make a collaboration on an Instagram post that is already posted and you want to know how you do this, then this video is for you. So first of all, we're going to open our Instagram app, and then from here, we are going to our profile section because we're going to a post that we have posted and that we want to still collaborate for. So let's say this post, I have posted it a while ago and it has no collaborators. If I want to add collaborators still, then I'm going to click on the three dots in here. And then from here, I'm going to click on Edit. And once I click on Edit, I see at the top in here that I can just click on Add Collaborators. So once we click on this, we see this option Invite Collaborators down below. So let's say we want to search for a person, and let's say we want to add this person in here. Then we are going to select this person and we're also going to tag it. And then we need to await the response of this account. And in order if this account accepts it, then it will be a collaboration. So right now I'm just going to click on Done. And this is basically how I do it. It says one collaborator in here. So I'm going to click on Done again. And that is how you can make this final. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.